Hey guys, so we have another video here. Today I'm going to be installing these LED door sill liners. It's a pretty simple install. Got 2 of them for each door, and I'll post the link that I got on Amazon in the description, so if you guys want to check it out. I just got the word Civic SI on it with a little Honda logo. And it fits pretty good. It's not too small, the font's not too small, too big, it's perfect pretty much. And this is what it would look like when it's turned on. It'll go like this. And it also has a ton of different modes, just like different colors, static, rainbow, some whatever these runners are. I'm gonna get it back to the setting I was on. Alright, that's what I want. You know this is fully charged when this bar turns green. You have to open this little silicone thing, and it reveals a USB-C charging port, and it charges to green. Always charge it before you install it so you get the most battery life out. And we're just gonna install this. So the kit comes with some instructions right here. It comes with 4 wipes, adhesion promoter wipes, primer, some infrared stickers so the sensors can detect when it's when the door's closed. So if the door's closed, these will not activate anymore, like that. When they are open, when it's closed, easy like that. So we got the 2 infrared stickers because I have the Coupe, and then it gives us some extra buckles or whatever these things are that mount onto these things. So this is cool because you can just stick these little red pieces just stay on where the adhesive patches are. Those stay on, and you can remove the whole thing itself, and so you can charge it when it's low battery. And it also has this film over which will peel off when we're done installing. So maybe get a towel because it rained. Actually, I'm gonna go grab a towel. Alright, so we got a towel. We're just gonna wipe this down so it's nice and dry. It won't stick if it's wet, so should probably dry it. Stinky. Just gonna wipe this down, I guess. Like that. I don't know if this is supposed to stay like this, but whatever. Okay. Smells like nail polish. So now we're gonna peel these adhesive stickers off, make sure they're in the locked position so they don't fall out. We're just gonna take all these stickers off, or we could, so that's where I'm gonna put it, right about there. It doesn't interfere with closing, so I might put it a little bit back more. Maybe like right there. That's flat enough, yeah. Right there. Actually, let's try to just get it centered. I don't know if I should keep it right against this little thing or what. It would be better if it was at night. See how the thing guided it over here? He looks like he put it right against it. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna take all these stickers off now. Alright, we got all the stickers off, and we're just gonna eyeball this. Let's have it right here. That should be good. Right there. Seems pretty nice. I'm just gonna press firm down now. Oh, I clicked the button on accident. And now we're gonna peel this little thing off. Beautiful. It's got a nice chrome finish to it. Very nice. I like that positioning. And now we're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Now we gotta wipe this one down. All dry now. Now we're gonna prime it. Smells bad. Smells like nail polish. Alright, that's good. Now we're gonna peel these stickers off once again. Make sure they're all in the locked position before attaching to the car. Alright. Oh, one of the stickers fell off. Gotta be careful of that. Alright, now we're going to line this thing up how we want it to be. Try to make it look like the other, like the driver's side, just so it's easier to line up here or compare. Oops. Alright, that should be good. Perfect. Looks good. Now we're gonna press it on. Press it real good. All the spots. Let's turn it on. Alright. Looks like it's a little uneven, but yeah. I mean, it's already stuck on there, so whatever. Nice. Looks good. I'll post an update of what the car looks like at night on YouTube Shorts, as I've been doing with the past videos, posting updates, so make sure to turn that notification bell on so you guys can stay up to tune. And that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned how to do this, or learn to whatever, you know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I just ordered a Remark exhaust for this car, and it should be coming within the next week, so I'll definitely record a video on that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I forgot to include the part where I apply the infrared sticker, so we are going to do that. Probably gonna have to get in the car for this one. I think it works even without it, because it stays solid and it breathes, and then if I close it, and it should recycle again. I don't even think I need the infrared. Let's see it for this side. Okay, let's see if it sequences. Yeah. Nice. We don't even need the infrared sticker, so some of your guys' cars might not need to use the sticker, so good to know. See you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for that exhaust, and bye.